Okay, so the website I'm going to be showing you guys today is one called StudyStack, which I think is a really great tool for teachers to utilize for like group games, for Jeopardy style, just interactive events, and for students studying. So scroll down here. What would you like to learn? So there's all kinds of topics. So I'm gonna go ahead and click history. And then it shows you all of these history flashcards that have already been created by other people. So let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and, sorry, my computer just lagged a little bit. I'm gonna click on Greek mythology. So here it shows the flashcards. So Neptune, I'm pretty sure that's Poseidon. So click to flip, yep. So I know that one. Cupid, I don't think I remember that one, so click to flip. Yep, didn't know that one. And then this shows the remaining cards that there are. And then down here are like different formats, which I think would be really great for students to learn. It would make them like more excited, because though this is really good for learning, it's not necessarily as fun for learning. Whereas these, like the snowman, be great. So here it's kind of like a hangman type of thing, except a lot more, I guess, PG. So it would be good for like kindergartners. So Greek mythology, I can show hints. Characteristics, Venus. So it's looking for the other name for Venus. Pretty sure that was Aphrodite. Yep. A-P. Yep. And then if I clicked a wrong letter, yep, snowman would melt. So then we also have other types. We have a crossword puzzle. So like to Persephone. So crossword puzzle, and then you can show the answer. And then if you wanted to, let me go ahead and go back. So you can scroll down to create your own. Then it'll show you, and this is one that I was doing earlier, so create new stack. And then stack name, this is great for both students and teachers, just to stay organized. So for teachers, I might specify like history for 6th grade. And then there's like a description for it. So for students, that might be a bit of a redundant option, but for teachers, it would be great just to like remind you. So let me do World War II. Okay. And then here you can choose if you want to just do question and answer, or if you wanted to do like term and definition, and you could even custom your own. So I'm going to go ahead and do question and answer. So you save changes. And then under data is where you put in the information. So maybe how long was World War II? To which I would put from 1939 to 1945. Was America part of the Allied? So just things like that. So you can add more rows. You can do however many that you want. So save changes. And then click here so you can start studying them. And then it's just the same basic concept. So yeah, that is StudyStack, and I hope that it helps and that some of you use it in your future. Alright, thanks for watching.